Miami is a city where sunshine meets style. Known for its golden beaches, vibrant nightlife, and colorful Art Deco buildings, this tropical paradise offers something for everyone. Stroll through palm-lined streets, taste flavors from around the world, and soak in the rhythm of Latin culture that fills the air. From the turquoise waters to the buzzing neighborhoods, every corner feels alive. Whether you crave relaxation or adventure, Miami blends both into one unforgettable destination where every moment feels like a postcard come to life. Wynwood Walls is an open-air art gallery, unlike any other. Here, massive murals burst with color, telling stories through bold shapes and stunning designs. The walls are painted by artists from across the globe, making every corner feel like a masterpiece in motion. As you walk through, the air feels electric with creativity, and each turn reveals something new to admire. It is the perfect spot to take photos, feel inspired, and see how art transforms an entire neighborhood into a living canvas. South Beach is where the ocean sparkles, and the energy never fades. The sand is soft and white, the water is clear and inviting, and the colorful lifeguard towers add a playful touch to the shoreline. People come here to swim, sunbathe, and enjoy the lively atmosphere that flows from the beach to the nearby streets. Just steps away, you can explore Art Deco buildings, buzzing cafes, and stylish boutiques, all set against the backdrop of warm sea breezes and endless sunshine. The Art Deco Historic District is like stepping into a vibrant time capsule. Rows of pastel-colored buildings line the streets, each with elegant curves, geometric shapes, and neon lights that glow after sunset. This area captures the glamour of Miami's early days, blending history with a lively modern vibe. Walking here feels like strolling through a movie set, where every corner offers a perfect backdrop for photos and a chance to admire one of the most unique architectural styles in the world. Ocean Drive is the heartbeat of Miami's coastal charm. This famous street runs alongside the beach, lined with colorful Art Deco buildings, buzzing restaurants, and lively bars. By day, the palm trees sway gently in the breeze while people stroll, bike, and enjoy the ocean views. By night, neon lights glow, and music fills the air, creating an atmosphere full of excitement. It is a place where the beauty of the shoreline meets the vibrant energy of Miami's nightlife. Pérez Art Museum, Miami, is a modern space where art and architecture blend beautifully. Overlooking Biscayne Bay, the museum showcases contemporary works from around the world, with exhibits that change throughout the year. Its design is striking, with hanging gardens and open spaces that invite you to pause and take in the view. Inside, the galleries offer a mix of bold, thought-provoking pieces that spark curiosity and inspire conversation. It is a peaceful yet engaging place to connect with art. Bayside Marketplace is a lively waterfront spot filled with shops, restaurants, and entertainment. You can stroll along the marina, watch boats glide by, and listen to live music that often fills the open air. The mix of local boutiques and well-known stores makes it a great place to find souvenirs or enjoy a relaxed meal with a view of the bay. With its vibrant atmosphere and scenic setting, it is a perfect place to soak in the spirit of Miami. Everglades National Park is a vast natural wonder unlike anywhere else. It lies about 40 miles west of Miami, which is roughly an hour's drive by car. You can get there by joining a guided tour, renting a car, or taking a shuttle from the city. The park is home to wetlands, mangroves, and a wide variety of wildlife, including alligators, manatees, and countless bird species. You can explore it by airboat, kayak, or walking trails, each offering a different way to experience its wild beauty. Miami Seaquarium is a fun and educational marine park where you can see dolphins, sea lions, manatees, and many tropical fish. It is located on Virginia Key, about 5 miles from downtown Miami, which is around a 15-minute drive by car. You can reach it easily by taxi, rideshare, or public bus. The park offers live shows, interactive exhibits, and the chance to learn about ocean conservation while enjoying beautiful views of Biscayne Bay. Key Biscayne and Crandon Park offer a peaceful escape from the busy city. Located about 7 miles from downtown Miami, the trip takes around 20 minutes by car over the scenic Rickenbacker Causeway. Crandon Park is known for its soft sand, calm waters, and shady picnic areas, making it perfect for a relaxing day outdoors. You can swim, bike, or walk along nature trails while enjoying views of the ocean and the Miami skyline in the distance. The Freedom Tower is one of Miami's most iconic landmarks, rich in history and striking in design. Located in downtown Miami, it is easy to reach from most parts of the city by car, taxi, or public transit. The building once served as a welcome center for Cuban immigrants and now houses a museum and cultural center. Its Mediterranean Revival-style architecture and tall, elegant tower make it a beautiful sight both day and night, symbolizing hope, heritage, and resilience.